What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to make money with CPA marketing and using TikTok app. TikTok is a fun app, but you can want to use it to generate leads, promote affiliate offers and promote CPA offers. You can easily use this app. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel. I assure you, you never be frustrated to show all of my videos, all my helpful contents inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, in this video I will show you how to make money with CPA marketing using TikTok app, and I show you all this method in just 3 steps, and you don't need any website, you don't need to run any paid campaigns. Basically CPA marketing depend on paid marketing, but in this method you don't need to pay any single bucks for promoting your CPA offers, and you can simply use your using phone and TikTok for promoting your CPA offers. It's so much easy and so much simple, and I will show you step by step in these 3 steps. So guys, let's check into my computer and complete all this method step by step. And first thing is fast, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates. So guys, step number 1, create an account on CPA network. In this method I show you a different way. Most of the case CPA marketing you need to leads, or you need to complete any service, but in this method it's different. It's a $1 or $3 trial offer. If you can complete this $1 or $3 trial offer, then you will get $18. So it's different, and most of the case in the CPA marketing you never make 30, 40 or $50 per day, but in this method you can easily make 100, you can easily make 50 to 100 per day, because if you get 4 conversion then you will get 72, if you get 5 conversion then you will get 90. So using this TikTok traffic, you can easily get 2, 3, 4 sales per day. So you can easily make over 50 per day. So you have to choose your affiliate network first, and you see here it's traffic domination network. In the video description you will get the link to sign up here. So affiliate sign up. You see here your company name, it's your name, then address, your city, your country, your state, your zip code, your region, your phone number, your first name, your last name, your name title, your email address, communication channel, it's Skype, then communication ID, you can use your Facebook ID, your password, confirm password, and you can fill up my name or Google. then the term and condition, and sign up here. That's it. It's so much easy and so much simple, and they get instant approval for promoting their offers. So step number 1, you have to create a account on CPA network. Now step number 2, find offers. After completing your account, you see here this offer section and browse this offer. And all the offer inside this CPA network, and you can choose any of the offer, but in this method I choose this offer. It's VIP affiliate club, and go here. You see here super converting offer from our proven advisor. Offer converts on $3 or $1 trial sign up. So you have to promote this offer, and it's a $1 or $3 trial offer. After completing your trial, you will get $18 per trial. So it's easy to make big money with CPA marketing. You see here, and get your link here and copy this link, and you see new URL for shorten your URL to set inside TikTok. Go here, paste here your URL and make URL, and it's your URL for setting up inside TikTok. Just copy this URL and save it in your text pad. Okay, fine. And now step number 3, for to promote your offer via TikTok. It's TikTok, and at first you have to install TikTok app to your phone, and you can easily promote your CPA offer, or you can easily apply this method using your cell phone. You don't need to computer. You can easily promote this offer using your cell phone or your tab. So at first you have to install this TikTok app, and after installing your TikTok app, you have to set up your bio like this. And in the case of TikTok, when you exceed the 1000 follower, then you can put direct linkable clickable link here. But when you below 1000 follower, then you have to write your URL like this. So after set up your bio, you have to make 15 to 16 seconds video for promoting CPA offers. You can make any type of make money video, and you see here all of my videos inside here. So you have to put any type of make money videos here, and you have to indicate to check your bio for check this best offer that you promote inside your bio. So you can make 40 seconds video, and rest of the 20 seconds you will advertise your bio. That's it. And I recommend you to make 2, 3 or 4, 5 videos per day, and each video takes 20 to 30 minutes, so it's easy to upload 3, 4 or 5 videos per day. And as much as videos you can upload inside TikTok, as much as better and more better result you will get to make big CPA profits. So guys, that's it for using TikTok. It's a fun app, but you can make money using this app with your cell phone. So guys, if this video help you to make CPA marketing and CPA profit, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your questions, and don't forget to share this video for the others. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhodro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, online marketing journey, then this YouTube channel will help you a lot of helpful content inside here. I don't like any clickbait uh, videos and any clickbait methods, so I try to help people for making big money and run and establish their online business for a lifetime. So guys, don't forget to check my YouTube channel Raju Bhodro and subscribe it, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new videos. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, repeat all these 3 steps again. At first you have to create your account, then find your offers, and finally promote your offer using TikTok, using your cell phone. It's so much easy, so much simple, and you don't need to cost any single dollar to promote these CP offers. And check my video description to get all the source about this method and about this affiliate network. So guys, best of luck, take action and get results soon, and see you soon. God bless you. Bye.